Hi, my name is Vineet Anshuman and I'm the Global Product Lead for Tata Communication Transformation Services on our next-gen portfolio. On this POC, basically we are working with Fortinet and Spirent, who are partners, to basically showcase security assurance in SD-WAN. So what we have done is we have created a very interesting concept in terms of simplifying the security as a service use case for our customers worldwide. And think of enterprises or operators, both can leverage this service. The beauty of the entire POC that you see here is a production grade, so you can literally take this off as is model and leverage it based on the use case. So let's see quickly in terms of how and what the POC components look like. So this is the whole setup. So what you see here as part of this diagram, we have created a kind of lab infrastructure for the whole POC setup. In our lab, basically, which is in Pune. We have got virtualized instances from Fortinet, which is sitting here as a customer premise box in one part. We have got our virtual cloud exchange platform, which basically is automated network as a service portfolio, which will help you to connect to any kind of public cloud, which is Azure in this case. And then you've got an instance of Fortinet, which is sitting in again in the Azure, from the security services perspective. So if you see, the essence here is that how do you really create security instances in the different parts of the network, contextualize them, make them application aware, distribute based on the context, and ensure that at any given point in time you've got a right security fitment for any single use case. With what Tata has created as part of the whole network as a service platform, we have got entire stack of network services which are virtualized, orchestrated by one single lifecycle service orchestrator, and customers get one single portal in terms of managing all their policies, intent, and understanding what's happening across their network from the telemetry perspective. So that's one part of the story. What is the most interesting element of the entire PoC is we have got our partner Spirent, basically, which helps us in having a continuous assurance across the across the policies which are enforced on the network, to see if the policies are working right, the way they are enforced in terms of the functionality. So Spirent to its solutions, if you go to the screen on this side, you can see basically Spirent throws traffic, which are basically to test the SD-WAN rules along with the security functions. And if you see in this case, for example, the source fire snort rule, where it's been tested, and in terms of the use case, there's a critical alarm coming in, because what is happening is the event that was shown there did not match with the way it was supposed to work from the security perspective. So what Spirent does is it kind of basically sends traffic to test out the rules which are functioning from the security perspective at any given point in time on the Fortinet instance in this case. But if you really think of it, what this does is in a network scenario, what's happening on your network with parameters like latency, delay, and things like that. But to really understand if your security functions are working right, we have something like this can really help you to understand and know how your security functions are behaving. So to sum it all, I think what we have done is, with TCTS award-winning service, we have created an entire stack of security as a service portfolio, which any customers can leverage it as part of their offering back to the end customers. Thank you.